This product was sent to me for my honest review. So I was glad to receive this clock because I was tired of using my phone for my workouts, and this is everything that came in the box, not including the remote, which I will get to shortly. But it is very sleek and low profile. It has the USB port and reset button on that side, the back. That's where you would hang it on the wall. On this side, you have the power button and a very loud speaker. Now, there are two ways to control this clock. I will first show you how to control with this button here, which will allow to manually start and stop and reset the button. You can also hang this on the wall. As you can see, it makes a beep sound and has a very bright green light. The wire is very long, so you can literally place this right next to you while you're working out as well. And if you're anti-light, you can actually turn this light off and it'll still work, as you can see. Now, this clock is not battery powered, so you will have to have an outlet available to plug this one in, and the cord is super long, so you shouldn't have a problem reaching your nearest outlet. This is the remote control, and it has multiple features, more so than just the button. You can set Tabata timers and start and stop timers and countdowns, and even a clock. You will also need two AAA batteries to get this remote to work, which is not included. Now, the instruction manual, I would really pay attention closely if you want to set a Tabata timer. It's not like your typical timer, but the instructions are pretty clear and easy to read. I hope this was helpful.